Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you are going to learn how you can send Typeform responses to your team on Discord server automatically. So here we have taken a scenario in which a person created a registration form with the help of Typeform application, and he wants to send the details of the registrants to his team present on Discord server automatically. And this automation that we are about to set up is designed and created to fast pace this process and improve your communication with your team. So let me show you how the flow of this automation is going to work. So this is how this automation is going to work. As and when you receive a form submission from any registrant via Typeform, a message will be delivered to your team automatically on Discord server telling them that we have received a new registrant and these are the details of the registrant. Okay. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. And for that, you can see the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow as well. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as send Typeform responses on Discord automatically. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these things. So the trigger is the happening of any event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action is the response to as the trigger, and the response would be, or the action would be, to send a message on Discord server to your team telling about the form response that you have received. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up your trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application, which is Typeform. In our case, this is Typeform. Okay, then you have to select the trigger event as a new entry. Okay, then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Typeform. Okay, and it will bring you to the login page if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in my Typeform, you can see here it is asking me to choose the account or give the access. So you have to provide these accesses. So click on accept and you'll be connected with Typeform like this. Okay, so we are now connected, and now it is asking for the form to choose that you are using for this purpose. So I have created a registration form here. This is the name of the form, registration form. So I'm going to choose this one from this list, from this drop down. You can see we have this registration form. Click on it to select it. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and it will start showing this waiting for the response. So this means now you have to do a test submission, or you have to fill the form as a test submission to get the record, to get the responses from the form to here in Pabbly Connect. And with the help of that test response, we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so let me open my form here. I'm going to click on share, and I'm going to copy this link from here, and I'm going to open this form in a new tab like this. Okay, so this is a form I have created, and here I'm going to click on register here button, and here you have to start filling in the details. So I'm putting my name here only. Okay, and the last name. Okay, the email address and the country details. Okay, so I have created a simple form here just to show you the demo. You can customize your form accordingly, okay, and get the details that you want from your registrants. Okay, now I'm clicking on submit here, and you can see the form is submitted now. Now let's see in Pabbly Connect if we got the data out from this form, the response of this form in Pabbly Connect. And you can see we have received the data in this response section, and the data is this you can see here. So it is a form response, and here you can see the details. And here in this response, you can see the details of the person who have filled this form as the name, the last name, and the email ID, okay, and the country, okay. So this is how you can receive the response here. Now, I want to add this person, I want to send the details of this person to my team on Discord server, okay. So for that to happen, you have to connect your Discord server or the channel here in this actions tab. So you have to search for Discord from this choose app, okay. And then in the action event, you have to select send channel message, okay. So then click on connect, and then it will ask for this webhook URL and the message that you want to send. So to make the connection with Discord channel, you have to create a webhook URL in Discord server and paste the URL here in this field, okay. So let me show you how can create a webhook URL. So webhook URL is used to transfer the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going back to my Discord server. This is my Discord's dashboard. And here you can see I have this text channel, the general text channel. Okay, so from here I'm going to click on settings. And here you will find this integrations option. Click on integrations. And here you will find this webhooks option. So click on view webhooks. And here you can add a new webhook by clicking here on this new webhook button. Click on it. Okay, and here in this, when you scroll down, you will find this field. You can give a name to your webhook. So I'm giving the name as to Typeform. Okay, so you can give any name according to you. Okay, and then you have to click on save changes. So first of all, copy webhook URL and then click on save changes. Okay, then click here on copy webhook URL like this. Then you have to paste this webhook URL here in this field like this. Okay, now you can type the message that you want to send on the general text channel or any text channel you want to send here in this message field. Okay, so let me type the message here. So guys, I have typed the message here as this. You can see, hey team, we have received a new registration. And here I have typed these things, the name, the email, and the country. And here I am going to map the details of the registrant from this first step, from this demo submission that we have received. Okay, so we have the data of our registrant here on this step. So let me show you how you can map this. So just come here on this message and click here on the in front of name. Okay, and you will find this Typeform a new entry option in the drop down. So this was our first step, and when you click on it, you will find the data that you have received on the first step. So when you scroll down here up to this last portion, you will find the details of the person like this. You can see here we have the name. Okay, this is the name. So you can map the full name if you want. So you'll find the full name here as this. Okay, for the email, use the same process. Scroll down and you will find the email address here and the country as well. Okay, so when you scroll down up to the last, you will find the country as this. Okay, so when you map things like this, what will happen when in real time you receive any form submission from any registrant, this data is going to change accordingly as the response you have received, and a new message with fresh details will be delivered to your team on Discord. Okay, and you can give the name to your bot also who is delivering this message to your team on Discord. So I have typed the name as Typeform. You can give the bot icon as well if you have any GIF or JPG link, image link. Okay, or you can enable this text to speech. If you want that bot should read this text aloud to your team, you can enable it or you can disable it as you want. Okay, now you can check your connection with Discord as well by clicking here on save and send test request, and a new message will be delivered here in this text channel. Okay, let me show you. So I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and here is the response that we have received. Now let me show you in the Discord channel if we have received the message. And here you can see a new message is here. It is saying, hey team, we have received a new registration. Name is Akib Javed, the email and the country. So these are the things that I have mapped here in this message, you can see. And this is the same message that we have received on Discord server. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen in real time. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Typeform from where I have taken the registrations. And after that, in this actions tab, and first of all, I collected a demo response from the form by filling out the form, and then I collected the response here. Then in the actions tab, I connected Discord to send the message. With the help of this webhook URL, we have made the connection and mapped the data like this, and we have received a new message here like this. Okay. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. And also you have to make these connections and set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you are going to receive a response from Typeform, you will get the message directly on Discord server. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.